Buenos días, estudiantes. Me llamo Señora L. Y hoy vamos a hablar sobre los cuartos de la casa. Hi, my name is Señora L, and today we are going to talk about the rooms of the house. Now, in this unit of vocabulary, we have created our whole new world in Minecraft. In our first video, you saw how our construction was beginning with the fundamental elements of a building and a home. And now we have added a bit. So please allow me to give you the tour. First, we go through la puerta, the door. Let me close that. Then we've got our entranceway, which we might change some things around a little bit. But first, let's go into la cocina. Repite, la cocina, the kitchen. Now, as we talked about last time, every house is different, and we have had so much fun making this one. El comedor. Repite, el comedor, or the dining room. In future videos, we will get into the vocabulary of what goes into each room. Por ejemplo, la sala. This is our sala, or our living room. Still a work in progress. Sala, living room. And there, of course, is la ventana, the window, and much more which we covered in the previous video, and which we'll go over again. And there is mi perro, Stanley. Hi, Stan. And here is our sótano, or basement, where we have our lavadero. Repite, lavadero, or laundry room. Now, in different homes all over the world, the laundry room tends to be in different places. I've been in many homes in Europe where the lavadero was in la cocina, the kitchen. Now we go up the escaleras and down the pasillo, or hallway, to the second floor. Now, there are many ways of saying bedroom in Spanish. There's habitación, cuarto, or dormitorio. And they all have very similar meanings. Now we go into el baño. Repite, el baño, the bathroom. Right now we only have one bathroom in the home, which we should probably work on. It was nice to have two. Now, la oficina. Different parts. And of course, for those of you who play Minecraft, you might recognize some kind of cool stuff. And here is, like I was mentioning, dormitorio and habitación. Two more bedrooms. Con muchos libros, with many books, porque libros son muy importantes. Like I say, in this bedroom, you might have noticed something pretty important in Minecraft. And now we go down el pasillo, down las escaleras, and back through la sala. So many homes are works in progress, and we are going to really work on our patio in the next video. The patio is the yard. It could be backyard, front yard. We have a lot of cool ideas in mind. And there's un caballo. And of course, el garaje. Repite, el garaje, or the garage. Now, we've just started building our garage, so we have quite a bit of work to do. But it's all a part of the process and part of the fun, one step at a time. And I must say that one of the things I love most about this world and this home that we have created was because it was created by my son and my daughter. This is the granero or the barn they made for me. And we'll walk through and give you a little tour here. Flores. Gallinero, chicken coop. Estable, the stable. Because as you might have noticed in the previous video when we were first creating our world, we had animals right near our house. And there was a great escape, instigated by los caballos, the horses. So we've made some changes. As we continue with this unit on the vocabulary of la casa, the home, we will explore many different aspects of life. Some items we use every day, some we check in with maybe once a year. But this is just all part of our home. So I challenge you, estudiantes, create your own world. The house maybe you hope to have one day, or what you love most about your own home, anything you want. To practice talking about the rooms of the home and what is most important in the home. Until next time, estudiantes, hasta luego. To keep up to date on our future videos and on many other topics that we include in other videos, please make sure to click the subscribe button, the bell notification, or the likes below. Gracias, estudiantes.